Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change your tactics in FC 26. It's quite easy. There are two methods which you can use. In the first method, you can change your tactics before starting the match, as well as if your match is started. Let's say if you're starting your match, then just right here in the team management, if you go, there is option to change your tactics, which you can see here. So just right from here you can just activate the tactic which you like just by using your right stick like this. And as I said, you can access the same menu by pausing your game, and just here we need to go to team management option again, and if we go to tactic, we have the same menu which we saw earlier. If you wanna change a tactic without pausing the match, in that case you just need to use your d-pad. In the d-pad you need to use your left key like this, and you're gonna see the tactic window. Use these keys as shown below, and just by using these keys you can easily able to change the tactic, as you can see here in the map. And yeah, that's it. This is exactly how you can change tactic in FC 26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.